My name is Hakim bin Muhammad Nazi from DKA4B. My metric number is 1039. In our group, I am a second presenter, so I will present about the second point in our proposal. Okay, now I would like to present about defense proposal for our final year project, which is titled Automatic Smart Street Light. Okay, for the introduction, the smart street lighting system is one of the technologies that support green environmental relate work, especially in this modern area. Okay, so I think that is very relate to the environment and bring many advantage. It's suitable for new era, which is realize the sustainable product in effort to making it green. For problem statement, we got this problem statement by doing research. We do the researching from Google Scholar to get authentic articles through accredited author, and also from newspaper to get the valid data and information. After researching, the main problem of this street light is that it's turned on the whole night even when no one around, and that's not good when it comes to electricity consumption. Now let we move to our objective. I am a second presenter, right? So I take the second objective. Okay. The objective is to develop automatic smart street lights connect with sensor that control the intensity of the lights. Okay, the more explanation for my objective is in every automatic street light, there will always be an innovation and improvements that been implemented in order to achieve higher standard and demands toward a better future. So in our automatic smart street light, we adapt the usage of PIR motion sensor, in which the main function is to detect movement of road users and pedestrians on street light. Okay, PIR motion sensor will be connected to high standard software, which help in this project. Arduino board with specific coding. So in order to achieve higher standard of automatic smart street lights that help in reducing the electricity consumption, LED light is used in this project. Next, this will help in avoid the street light to keep turning on even when there is no one around, which consume so much electricity. Okay, next, scope of the study. Our scope of project is that the material we going to use in this project, which is LED light and the PIR sensor connect to the Arduino. Okay, where it connect, it will be main the controller for the street light system. Okay, next, methodology. We use the flowchart for our project. Okay, this is our flowchart. You all can see here. On the flowchart, we going to focus on the construct of the project, which we gonna build the circuit using the specific wire connected to Arduino and the sensor. And also we going to construct the road and street light prototype as for the display. And then we going to combine both circuit and prototype together for further testing our project. Okay, based on my objective, the second objective, which is to develop automatic smart street light, isn't it? So this is my Gantt chart. You all can see here. Based on the Gantt chart, we predict the total construct project will take 7 weeks, which is build circuit will take from week 5 until week 9. Meanwhile, for the prototype, will take from week 6 until week 11. And the combination of both circuit and prototype will take up to weeks, which is week 11 until week 12. Okay. Next, the expected result. I take the second objective, isn't it? So when the second objective success to achieve, we expected this project will reducing electricity consumption. Yeah, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, and salam sejahtera to Dr. Sunita and to the panel. One was myself, Binti Mustafa. My name is Rasyiqah Binti Muhammad Ramli, and my matrix number is 1047. In this video, I'm going to present our defense proposal for final year project, civil engineering. So our project selection is automatic smart street light. So basically, smart cities and green technology are becoming one of the world agenda in preparing for a better future. The technology that evolves with the advance in wireless communication and low energy power consumption has become the foundation in the development of smart cities nowadays. So, the problem we've been facing lately, like this, throughout many years, is that the electricity consumptions relatively high day by day. So we are trying to solve this problem by introducing and implement new technology into our street lights nowadays, which has become one of the best options which we can apply in these modern cities. So our first objective is to design an intelligent smart street light system which equipped with the vehicle presence sensors. This modern era, it demands a better future, which we focus on the sustainability and less power consumption, which helps in reducing the global warming and cost spent on the electricity consumptions in Malaysia. So, to achieve this demand, we design an intelligent smart street light system in which it will equip with the vehicle presence sensor, as I said, which it will detect any movements, either cars, motorcycles, or pedestrians, and then the street lights will turn on automatically due to the sensor. Our scope of the project with location is that this project will focus on the development of street lighting system energy saving along the campus A of Ungku Oma Polytechnic until the campus Baru in Polytechnic Ungku Oma. So if you can see this flowchart, based on the flowchart, we gonna start with material selection, which is it's very much important, such as the main material that we will be used is the sensor, the selections of sensor, the best light, which is LED light that we're gonna use, and Arduino board connections as the main coding for our project. So in this flowchart, as I said, the first thing that is very important is material selections. Why choosing material is important? It is because the process helps in choosing the best material for the design's durability, performance, and output. Ideal material selection is crucial, I know, to ensure that the product does not succumb to extreme conditions and it will perform well in any unpredictable conditions. So that's the reason why the first thing first is material selection. And then continue with the design planning, which is our future model structure on how we going to implement this project on our prototype design planning. So the planning process in this design planning, it provides the information top management needs to make effective decisions about how we allocate the resources in a way that will enable us to reach its objective. Productivity is maximized here, and the resources are not gonna be wasted on this project with any little chance of success. So this is our Gantt chart. So as you can see, throughout the semester, we have 15 weeks in total. Okay, let's start from the material selections, as I already told you from the flowchart here. So the first thing we're gonna do is material selection. So material selection will start from the very first week of the semester, which is here, as you can see, and then it's gonna proceed until the third week, because material selections is very important for us, is that we be able to choose the best material for our project. And then continue with design planning starting from the third week, which is combined the third week with the material selection, which also design planning will take us at least 3 weeks, which is until week 5, which is here. And then we're gonna continue with the rest of the project. So as a result in here, we expect to create an intelligent smart street light for road users and pedestrians, in which this will help and contribute in reducing electricity consumption in Malaysia. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roshila Binti Ahmad. My magic number is F1046. Saving of this energy consumption is very important factor these days as energy resources get reduced day by day. So the problem we face here is that street lights are intended to the street, but their light is often poorly directed, causing undesirable brightness and increasing light pollution. So applying automatic smart street light is important nowadays, and our third objective is to compare the electric cost spent between conventional street light with automatic smart street light. Both conventional and modern street lights give a huge impact to the people and the surrounding, in which the demand of sustainability and less power consumption become the main issues. In order to be able to adapt new technology and design, we have to compare either a new technology give much more advantage rather than the original technology. So we decided to compare the consumption electric cost spent between the conventional street light with automatic smart street light, in which it helps to strengthen our objective and helps in solving the problems. The existence and application of new sensor and LED light helps us comparing in which one is much more better and less power consumption. Based on the chart, it shows the measure electricity consumption from January 1989 to November 29, 2019. It shows that the increasing of consumption of electricity towards street lights. For the scope of the study, the sensor will detect if no vehicle pass through certain roads. This system will control the intensity of the street lights to the minimum intensity. The connection of Arduino with the sensor will help in increasing the intensity of the light when the sensor detects movement of two vehicles or pedestrians on the streets. Based on the flow chart, we're going to focus on the testing either it works well or not, and also check the functionality of the prototype with the circuit either it works as how we want it to be or not, and also if it's not function well, we be able to repair and modify before it's too late. Looking at the Gantt chart, both testing and checking will take 3 weeks in total to ensure carefully the project itself, which is from week 12 until week 14, and the end of our activity is in week 15. As for the project, we expected that PIR sensor will help in controlling the intensity of the street light to prevent any long-term damage that can consume huge amount of money, especially in maintenance. At the end, our intent is to provide a better surrounding for road users and pedestrians in providing clear vision and safety. The advance of technology of street light should be taken seriously from government in providing a better future, especially in reducing energy consumption and reduce pollution. That's all from me. Thank you.